Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get the Marvel Snap Venom avatar decoration. Start by checking your event tab and shop for limited avatar drops, then confirm your collection progress and currency before you spend. Keep an eye on time challenges and login rewards that often grant cosmetic items. If an event requires wins or points, focus on the easiest decks to reach thresholds quickly. Save resources for confirmed offers to avoid wasting coins or fragments. In this video, I will show how to get the Marvel Snap Venom avatar decoration. Begin by opening the Event tab and scanning current offerings for avatar drops or challenge rewards. Prioritize tasks that grant event currency or clear milestones with minimal wins. Consider using inexpensive or familiar decks to complete matches efficiently. Redeem earned currency in the shop promptly because avatar offers can rotate or expire without warning, so act when you confirm availability. In this video, I will show how to get the Marvel Snap Venom avatar decoration. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings clear game sound and hands-free control to your play space, perfect for listening to game audio and alerts. It's compact and fits on any desk or shelf while boosting immersion. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get the Marvel Snap Venom avatar decoration. Focus on reliable decks that let you secure wins quickly and complete event thresholds with low stress. Avoid impulse purchases and only spend premium currency when the avatar is explicitly included in a bundle. Set reminders for event end dates so you don't miss rotations or limited drops. Joining community groups can reveal bundle timings and tips to earn currency efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.